Welcome to How to Solve.
For today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Paramount Plus on any LG TV. Maybe your TV is too old to download streaming apps, or it can connect to the internet to download the app. Whatever the reason is, it can be really frustrating if you're not able to download the app. To install Paramount Plus on your TV, you just need to have an HDMI port to plug into. Now, for this process, you have to invest in a streaming device such as Amazon Fire Stick, Apple TV 4K, or Roku Stick to plug into your TV HDMI port. You would then use a Roku or Fire Stick as your main streaming player, which bypasses the operating system on your TV. Since you have a lot of options, so it's up to you what streaming device you want to use. I hope this helps. Just follow those steps to install Paramount Plus on any LG TV. See you on our next video.
Please like and subscribe for more content. We'll see you in the next one.